Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use disappearing pools in Instagram stories. So what does mean disappearing pools? Alright, so let's consider that you created a story. Alright, so by going into the story sections right here, you can choose a picture, or even you can take a picture or choose it from your device. Alright, so let's go with that one. Once I tap on it, I have this option on the top, which is stickers. So let's go into sticker, and right here, once I tap on sticker, I have the pool option right here, or feature, and once I tap on it, the pool feature has appear to my screen or my story. So let's consider that I created a story with that feature, and after 24 hours it's disappear. So that's what it means. Alright, so where I can still use the that disappeared pool. So I will show you right now how you can find it and use it again. You will just go into your profile on the bottom right corner, and after that I want to go into this three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and right here I want to go into archive, this option on how you use Instagram section. So tap on it, and after that you will find that story that you want to still use, that's pool that has disappeared. So per example, I will just go through any example right here. Alright, so for example that one, once I tap on it, I can still use that feature, and it's the same as the pool. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.